This morning, some few minutes before making this video, I got myself a 5k free funded account, a two-step 5k account, and this is me right here trying to log into my MT5. Now you can take a look at it in the balance. This is the 5k ready to trade. Now I'll actually tell you this: if you know you're not going to watch this video to the very end, you can just skip it, because you actually need to follow the steps I'll be showing for you to be able to get the account. And I wasted a lot of time trying to actually claim this account, which actually, I already made the video, so you won't be going through the same step, the same stress. And for the requirement for you to get withdrawal, you can see right here, which is pretty simple. There's a trading rule, which is overall balance. Now the drawdown is 10% of the balance, and you can see the daily drawdown, which is 4% of the balance. Now the profit target is 8%. The minimum, you must have a minimum trading day of 3 days. Now all these requirements, which is very, very simple, you just need to meet to these requirements and you'll be able to make your withdrawals. Now right here, the next thing we need to do is to click on the link you find in the comment section. And before doing that, once you get to the comment section, comment the country you're watching from, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, which is very, very important. It helps YouTube push this video to more audience, and they get this free funded capital. And also share this video with your colleagues, your friends, who really need this right now. Now, without wasting time, click on the link you find in the comment section, and it brings you to this site right here. Now you can see this is XPips. Now some few weeks ago, I made a video about XPips giving out a free 1k account, and today right here we are going to be getting a 5k account from them. Now in case you have an account with them already, just log in, add in your login details, and if you don't have an account with them, just click on this site here that says sign up and create an account with them. Now getting to the platform, to the main site, you should be having something like this on your screen. Now you can see details of where you'll be having the account balance and heavy stuff. Now you can see scroll up and then see start your journey. You click on get started. Now when I was trying to claim the account, this was the issue I was having. It actually brings error loading page, something like this, on the screen for hours, and I just have to keep retrying it until it actually shows me something like this. And also I used something which I'll be sending to the Telegram channel, because I can't actually mention it right here. I used something that actually enabled me have access to it. I'll mention it in the Telegram channel, so you don't want to miss out. Join the Telegram channel, and then you can actually get this bonus. Once you click on start journey, this right here, we're actually creating an account. You see the XPips, and you select two-step account. For the balance, you select 5k, and this right here, you select MT5. And these options right here, you need to add a coupon code, which is spin. I'll be typing it right here: spin 5k free. The first letter is in capital letter, which is the spin, and then you type in 5k and then free at the back. Now once you click on apply code right here, you see, you just click on apply code, and you see right here it says network error. Now there's a mistake which I made, which I don't want you guys also to make the same mistake. Now if you scroll back up, you see this place that says select ads on, this right here. So you select the one at the top. Now this was a mistake I made. I didn't select one of these options, and that's why it actually shows network error. So you select the one at the top, which is the 200% refund fee, and then you now come back to type in the coupon code once again. Now as you can see right there, make sure you put in the correct coupon code, and then you click on apply code. And this, you can see, just scroll up, and then you see it changes to free 5k account. You can see it right there. Now the next thing we need to do is to click on claim free. We already applied the code. You just need to click on claim free, and this right here will take you to where you fill in details, your profile details. And you can see mine right here. This is my personal information. Now make sure you agree to their terms and conditions. There's this place right here. You just click on these boxes, and then you scroll up to the final moment where you actually need to click on claim free. Now you can see it actually showed some error. It showed something right here on the screen that says network error, please try again later. Now I kept on trying this. I kept on clicking on claim free, but when I went to check my email address, I noticed I've been sent login details. To my email address for the free 5k account. So I just kept trying this, but I didn't know. I don't know which one actually went through, but I kept on trying it. Now, if you keep trying it, and you go to check your email address, and you still haven't received login details, it means you need to clicking on claim free, this right here. In my email, these were the 3 last messages which I received, and you can see one actually consists of the login details which I'll be using for my MT5. And at the beginning of the video, I showed you how I logged in these details to my MT5 and I was credited with the 5K account. Now the comment section is absolutely open to anyone who have issues on this process which I actually just explained. So you don't want to miss out on any of these updates. Go straight, follow the steps which I explained, and claim the bonus. Now we know a lot of this free code like this don't used to last long. Just make sure immediately you're seeing this video, just follow the step straight up and get the free 5K account. Don't miss out. Have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.